Today I'm here with 3 different easy hairstyles. Let's get started. For the first hairstyle, you need 2 hairpins. I'm taking a side partition and make sure all your hair is nicely detangled. I'm separating front portion of my hair until the ear. And twist it towards your back. Make sure it's tight and secure. Take it towards the back and secure it with 2 hairpins. Make sure it is hidden. Set your hair. Today I am not using any curler or straightener. If you want, you can use it. This is the final look of first hairstyle. For the second one, you need 2 hairpins, 1 elastic and 1 bobby pin. For the second hairstyle also I am taking a side partition and separating a strand of hair from the front. Taking a small strand from the front and twisting towards the back. And adding 1 more strand from the front, adding to it and twisting back. Repeat the same thing for 3 to 4 strands. After twisting it, secure it with the hairpin and make sure it is hidden. Repeat the same thing with the other side of the partition. Take a strand of hair, twist it towards the back, add 1 more and again twist it. Do it for 2 to 3 strands. Make sure each single strand is as small as possible, which gives you nice look. And again, secure it with the hairpin and make sure it is hidden. Take all your hair to one side . Nicely comb . And tie it with elastic. Make a nice side ponytail. Take a small strand from the back of the ponytail. Rotate it around your ponytail so that your elastic is hidden. Hide the ends of the strand and secure it with bobby pin. have a short hair, you can add hair extension also. For the third one, I am separating the front portion of the hair. At the back, I am making a nice ponytail. Make sure the hair is detangled before you tie it. Tie it with an elastic. And take the front portion of the hair and rotate it around your ponytail to the half, and take a strand from the ponytail, combine it with the ends of the front hair and tie it with another elastic. Make sure it's secure. And hide it behind the ponytail. If you have any accessories, you can add to it. Like this video, please like and share, and do comment below. You're not yet subscribed, right? Please do subscribe to this channel. This is Praty signing off.